The People's Project. The People's Project has been created for literally everyone from every corner of the globe reach their goals and dreams, no matter how much money in your pocket currently. The People's Project has been designed to provide everyone the opportunity to accomplish the following. We're here to help as many people live the lives we all truly desire for all walks of life. The People's Project is also for those of us who have gotten hurt in various programs, schemes, and scams designed to extract as much of our hard earned money as possible with no regard to the hardships they inflict in people's lives. We are sick and tired seeing people getting hurt financially over and over. The People's Project does not have the ability to hurt anyone financially and never will. It's $28 one time ever. That is seriously, the upside potential here is absolutely massive. Now I've gone through this. They have two videos. Watch it, it's worth watching. But let's talk about my strategy. What's my thought and how I'm gonna run it from here. This is my back office. Currently, I have two in my downline. There's 14 different boards which we need to fill up. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'll be sponsoring people. The moment my board one fills up, as we can see as the tree opens now, I need 3 more people and my first board is full. What I'll be doing is I'll be donating my funds from board one, giving it away to people who comment down below and sign up and joining our board. Also, you only have to bring in 2 people ever. And since I already have my 2 people, the link down below will be BUSD for use link because I'll be helping my team keep on filling up their positions. How are we going to do it? You need to join. As we build forward, we'll be helping each other grow. If we help each other grow, if you watch the videos on their dashboard or front page, you'll see the potential. You can earn up to $1.2 million. But how are we going to do it? By teamwork, by working together. Are you going to join the team? Are you getting in? Are you going to risk $28? It's a one-time offer. $28 and never again, and it can keep on rolling. Let's make it a team sport. Let's help building each other. Look down in the description. You'll see it's BUSD for use link. Join under his link. Let's fill up his 2. The moment his 2 is filled up, Change Our Lives needs 1 more. I'll be helping him if he hasn't gotten his second referral yet. As that level fills up, I'll keep on going down, changing the links and helping people filling their 2 spots. And all my returns from my board 1, I'll be donating and giving away for people to generate an opportunity. Leave me a comment down below. Why should you be getting the first $28 to join? Leave me your thoughts and concerns. It's a smart contract. It's there forever. It can't disappear. And where do you get the opportunity to turn $28 into a lot of money? What's your thoughts? Are we going to take it on? Will we keep it running? Will it work or will it not? Let's make some gains.